Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to add and remove Google account on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open accounts and backup and go to the first tab, which is accounts. So as you can see now I am logged in with my Google account, which is HardReset.Info 1. Just open it, and if you would like to delete it, smoothly click on remove account and then confirm that you would like to remove this account with all its messages, contacts and any other user data by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it disappeared, so it's no longer connected with the Samsung Galaxy. Then if you would like to add another Google account or the same one, just open the settings, pick accounts and backup, go to the accounts and now click on add account. Then select Google because you would like to log in with our Google account. Wait a couple of seconds. And that's it. Now it's time to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your account. In my case it will be email address, gmail.com, and then tap on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. Here it is, and then just tap on next. And here you can come along with Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and also Privacy Policy. And if you agree with all the conditions, just tap on I agree, and that would be actually the finish of the whole operation. As you can see here, you've got the backup to Google Drive active. You have to click on accept to confirm your selection of these Google services. And that's it. As you can see, the Google account has been added and you can smoothly use it in your Samsung Galaxy A30s. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.